Hello and welcome to our Soundscape. Here is my graphic score and I'm going to take you through and just show you what each one is. So our orange is our insects. You'll notice here they're all quite clumped together, which is basically representing chaos. They're buzzing around, they're unsure what to do. At the end you'll notice that they're more spread out. They're flying a lot more happy there. We've got our circles, our colourful circles, which represents the children's voices. At some stages in it, the children's voices are heightened and they're afraid and they're scared. And then you notice down here, the children's voices, they're all together, they're harmonised and they're happy together. We've got chemical spray and we've got our green, which represents our grass. Over here, we've got raindrops or water, which is represented through this instrument here. And we've got food, which is represented with our voice. Okay, so here we go. So we'll start with scene one, guys. Okay, you ready? Go.